Many modern industrial sensors have both speed and a precision setting. But what most users don't realize is that those speed and precision settings are mutually exclusive. When one goes up, the other one goes down. It's a signal to noise ratio topic. Let's take a look at this very difficult, textured, glossy, curved black target at an angle. Right out of the box, the sensor's default state is for being a fast sensor, and it simply can't get a reading. If this happens to you, don't give up and switch to a higher performing and more expensive sensor yet. Many sensors default to a fast response time, which is great for detecting and counting fast moving targets going by, but not great for pulling small signals like this out of the noise. So let's increase the cycle time, which is the amount of time we're giving the sensor to dwell and integrate these low gain return signals. Now we can detect the target and get a very stable distance reading. So if the sensor you have isn't working quite how you want, either in speed or precision, check and see if those are adjustable before wasting time and money by switching sensors. For this and other similar tips, keep checking back here on this channel, as well as the industrial_sensors YouTube channel. There'll be a lot more information there. Thanks, hope this helps.